See a comparison of the speed of assembling screws with these two types of electric screwdrivers. On the left is our automatic screwdriver, screw automatic feeding. Okay, it's done. On the right is a regular electric screwdriver. Okay, it's done. Check out this electric screwdriver and assemble other products for a demo. Add our screw feeding system and immediately improve your work efficiency. If you have a heavy workload when assembling screws, then this automatic screwdriver is perfect for you and will shorten your workload. It not only improves the assembly speed of the product, but also the torque of each screw assembly is the same, consistency of the product is ensured. Here, let's take a look at a working demo of this automatic screwdriver to see how it works. If you are interested, please subscribe to us. We can be reached at www.jhims.com.